Welcome to Unit 6 of our course. It's hard to believe that we are already 6 units in and only have a few more weeks together. This week we're going to be talking about academic thinking and writing. And we're going to be covering so many things, but a couple of the highlights we'll be discussing the APA formatting style for citing your sources. This becomes particularly important as you move on into your college writing classes, understanding how to cite sources and understanding how to determine if a source is reliable or not. And we'll be covering that this week. We will also be discussing 3 types of thinking that's used in the world of academia, and that would be critical thinking, creative thinking, and analytical thinking. And your discussion board will focus on those 3 types of thinking. We'll also be discussing the Covey habit, sharpen the saw, this week. And I'm really excited to discuss this with you because sharpen the saw is really all about self-care, about taking care of you. You are your greatest asset. And there are 4 dimensions of wellness that we'll be discussing this week along with that Covey habit, and how you can stay balanced in those dimensions, how you can make decisions for yourself and care for yourself in a way that allows you to be the best person that you can be for yourself and your family and all those around you that you have contact with. So we do have a journal again this week. Journals are back for the remainder of the course. We'll have a journal in week 6, 7, and 8. So be sure to go on and read the journal instructions. Your discussion board will be due, as always, Wednesday by midnight. And your 2 replies to peers will be due Sunday at midnight. Your journal is due Sunday at midnight, as well as your interactive exercises. So I encourage you to start early in the week with your reading. It is a bit of a heavy week in terms of reading. So you want to use those good time management strategies and carve out some time at the start of the week to begin your reading and taking notes. Use those note-taking strategies that we talked about last week. And please remember that I'm here for you if you have any questions or concerns, or you need help with any of your assignments. I look forward to hearing from you this week, and let's make it a great one.